I mean, am I good to give my opinion that I like the Eastwood better?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Like,
Because honestly, I do. Hey, I'm Brian Kurtz. I'm here today to use the MP200i, put it through its paces. I've been a professional welder for 10 years. I hold certifications in ASME, AWS, and API. I'm also a certified welding inspector. So I've been using this unit for a few weeks now. It's rugged, durable, smooth arc, welds great, and we're going to put it through its paces today, and let's see how it goes. All right, we were doing some MIG welding with the MP200i. So with this V-groove, it's a multiple pass. You got a root pass and then your hot pass, fill passes, and cap passes. This is something similar that you're gonna see for a welder qualification, whether it be AWS or ASME. It was a great smooth arc, had nice crisp penetration to it. Wire feed system didn't falter, and I had it cranked up pretty good. So, I mean, this is a 1/2-inch plate, and you can see it's already warped up pretty good. Now let's see how it works with the TIG and stick function on some Schedule 40 pipe. All right, so what we're gonna do here is perform what they call a combo weld on this Schedule 40 pipe. We're gonna do a TIG root, TIG hot pass, 70-18 fill and cap. Nice thing about this inverter machine, it's nice, lightweight, portable. You can carry it around with you on a job site. Move it around if you're up in a boom lift, you know, you're inside, it's something, as long as you got that power there, this thing could go with you. So we just got done putting Eastwood MP200i through its paces. Arc control was awesome, consistent. It was just overall a good machine. We did some TIG welding with it, stick welding, some MIG welding. Arc is consistent, drive rolls consistent. You know, that's something you could take out there in the field with you. It performed exactly how it should. I mean, everybody knows Miller, everybody's used one. But when my friends ask, I let them know Eastwood is very, very comparable. I steer them in that direction. For more information on this machine, visit eastwood.com.